In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an easy travel itinerary template for your next trip here in Google Sheets. So if you're trying to plan your trip and you want to do it with Google Sheets, here are two easy ways on how you can do that. So the first one would be to actually use some of the pre-built tables here in Google Sheets. So this trip itinerary table is actually from the pre-built tables that already exist within Google Sheets. Where do we find them? Well, go to Insert here in the menu bar and select Pre-built Tables. Click on that, and there you have it. Well, basically, if you open Google Sheets or if you open a new Google Sheets file, you will see this Tables panel on the right side right away. And to find this trip itinerary table, just go down and select Travel Planner. Here at the first part, you will see your trip itinerary. So let me just open a new sheet right here where we can insert that trip itinerary. Click on Insert, and there you have it. So the main difference with my trip itinerary is that I've deleted some of the columns from the original table. So for this one, we have activity, date, start time, location, category, and reminders. On the original one, we have the start date, the end date, the activity, the location, the category, people, and notes. So basically what I did was just to move the start date right here and dragged it after the activity. I deleted the end date. Now that's totally up to you, to what type of itinerary you're trying to create. So again, I have activity, the start date, the location, the category. I'm going to delete the people because this is just for me or my family. I already know the people coming to this trip. Delete that table. And for the notes, instead of the notes, I just renamed it as reminders. There you have it. So you can definitely customize this into your needs. So that's the first one. A second way that you can create a travel itinerary is to actually use some of the existing templates, again, in Google Sheets. So I'm going to go to Home here, click on Sheets Home at the top left corner. Here we have it. Go to the template gallery. And right here, you will see your travel planner. If you click on that, you will have this quick layout, which is already ready for you to just edit and make your own. So for this template, it's definitely a different layout with our tables, but it's still a layout that we can definitely use to organize our trip itinerary. And there you have it. Two easy templates that we can definitely use to plan our next trip using Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.